Hello friends, welcome to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we will see how to add user account password in Windows 11. This process is very easy. Let's do it. So first go to the search box, type settings and click on this settings option. Then you will have this setting window. Here you have to look for the accounts on the left hand side. Click on the accounts. On the right hand side, now you have to just scroll down and look for the sign in options. Just click on it. Then you will see some options. Here you have to go to the password section. When you click on this password section, you will see this message and here is the add button. Just click on it. After that you will have these text boxes. Type the new password. Confirm the password. If you want to set a hint for your password, if your password is lengthy, then you can set a hint. Click next. And now the password is set up for your user account. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.